Tired of everyone seeing everything in your Tableau workbooks? Let's lock down those dashboards and keep sensitive data under wraps. First, log into your Tableau server or online as an administrator, then navigate to the Users section. You'll see a list of all your users and groups. Select the user or group of users you want to restrict. We're going to edit their permissions. Now, click on the Permissions tab. This is where the magic happens. Look for the project that contains the workbook with the dashboard you want to restrict. Set the project access to none. This removes any default access they might have. Find the workbook containing the dashboard. Set the workbook access to denied. This specifically blocks access at the workbook level. This is crucial. Now, drill down within the workbook permissions to the specific dashboard you want them to see. Select the dashboard and set the permission to view. Congratulations! Now, that user can only see the dashboard you allowed, while others remain hidden. This ensures data security and a need-to-know environment.